What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe, and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30. Check out all the links in the description. Thousands of dollars of free crypto down there, along with signals, COINCALLS, TA, alpha, and memes in our private Discord. Accessed by signing up to the Patreon. You can also sign up to our brand new Udemy course for serious investors, where we've just released our Basics of Technical Analysis course. Make sure to watch till the end for short and long-term price predictions. That's where the good stuff is. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So we're just taking a look at Phantom here, and as we can see, it's still looking extremely good on this daily time frame, isn't it? We've been heading up basically since the bull market began in around, November, December 2020. We've been just heading up in a series of higher highs and higher lows like this for Phantom, and we're probably strongly expecting another move to the upside pretty soon. For Phantom, we do think the fundamentals for this project, obviously absolutely crazy. I mean, if you've been in the node and NFT space over the past few months, like we have, you will see very clearly that Phantom is a massive player in this space. The amount of TVL, the sheer amount of projects that are launching on there, just the ease of use of the network, it's so fast, it's so cheap, it's just really highly scalable as well. We do think it's going to do extremely well over the next 6 months to a year in 2022. I mean, we do think this thing could easily be $10 really, considering what they're offering and their valuation in comparison to Avalanche, Solana, etc. We do think it could get up there. Do a 5 or a 10x from the current price into that $10 to $20 region very easily. This is a project that does get, it gets used so much. There's so many protocols being launched on it all the time. It's really fast and cheap and, scalable, as we said. The fundamentals are really good. Development is consistently amazing on it as well. Andre Cronje really knows what he's doing with this protocol, and we're seeing more and more projects, getting bridged onto there as well because it's so cheap and scalable as well. The TVL on it is rising all the time. The DeFi is absolutely booming. There's plenty of amazing protocols on there that we've seen personally, and you can see it reflected in the charts here, just how much this project has been growing. Crazy amount over the past few years. You can see down here around, what is this, 1/5 of a cent up to a current price of $222 is obviously absolutely ridiculous gains, 1000x gains. So a really quality project, and you can see it reflected in the charts here that things are going extremely well. I mean, you could even argue that there is, potentially a bit of a parallel channel forming for Phantom that we've been seeing, a little bit something like this maybe, where basically, we have yet to come back up to the top of the channel. We've just been, we come up, we test the top twice, we come down, we come back up to, fair value-ish in terms of this parallel channel to the upside. We're coming down, we're consolidating, we're stuck under these Fibonacci levels right now, aren't we? With the market, the market's been looking fairly bearish, but Phantom has been absolutely mooning regardless, hasn't it? But recently lost a bit of momentum. You can see here, if we just take a look, November, you can see we come down, we come back up, retest the all-time high. Looking like, potentially some bearish divergences in this area here, which is probably why we got this rollover back down to a bit of support. We got down to oversold again. We got the pickup of the sweep of the low here, down at around this, to 122 area here in and around that previous area of structure. We get the pickup off the low, we come back up to the all-time high of 350. We get front run, and we roll back over to our next level of support again, don't we, at the 141. But looking like we're still looking pretty damn good in our opinion. Our RSI is fully reset here, so we've kind of just come back to this fair value area now, waiting for Phantom to make its next move, really, aren't we? And if we do see Phantom having a move towards this all-time high again, we would be expecting a bit of a breakout here. And if that was the case, we could easily be looking at coming up some nice $5 to $10 price targets over the next few months, in our opinion, if we do see things continuing, basically. If we just pull a fib from this recent move, from the high to the low, for example, from here to here, you can see we've got some extension targets we could see. We've got 464 here, the 127. Around a 555, 141, and a nice 675 at the 161. Got a nice 127 up here as well, in around that $13 to $14 level area. We do think Phantom is just a great project. This is definitely a project that is going to do well over the next few years if it continues to see the adoption curve that it's getting. Usually when you see such rapid adoption, the price usually follows. So before we do short-term price predictions, as always, a quick mention of the free Discord that we are running in the description. Go check it out. The community is amazing. Amazing passive income, NFT communities, all kinds of content being posted there all the time. Just go and join. It's absolutely amazing. And if you do want to support the channel, you can sign up to our Patreon. You'll get access to the private part of the Discord, even more content, alpha on potential 100x plus projects, daily Bitcoin signals, maxi moves where we talk about our own personal moves in the market, etc, etc. So if you do want to support the channel, sign up to the Patreon, link in the description, follow the arrow down there, and become a crypto maximalist today. So with that being said, short-term price predictions then, very simply, if we're heading down, we'll probably find a bit of support on the 141 here at $2.05. Obviously $2 in itself, a strong area of support as well. You can see here the amount of times we've wicked down into this area recently and just come back up to the upside. If we're heading back up, we do want to see ourselves getting back up towards that $3 level at the 161. And then, as we said before, we do really think that Phantom, if it does stay on track and continue to get the kind of adoption curve that it's seeing, I think we could easily see a 10, maybe even a $20 Phantom in 2022 if things continue how they are. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos we post every single day. Make sure to join the Patreon or YouTube membership to support us, as well as getting a ton of benefits. Crypto Maximalists will get access to daily signals, coin calls, alpha on new projects, 10x potential cryptos, and insight into our own personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes you beyond, giving you a look at our personal portfolio, super low cap gems, 100x potential portfolio, and constant access to us personally as a resource. We're constantly in the Discord posting daily and chatting with members, and we'll be hosting giveaways soon, so come and join a community rich with value and content. If you're serious about your education, you can also sign up to our newly launched Udemy course, which comes as standard with the Basics of Technical Analysis 10-part course, which details an overview of everything we do on this channel regarding chart theory, with examples and demonstrations. We'll also be adding multiple times per week to 2 other courses on our Udemy, which will be the Market Psychology and Strategies and Crypto Deep Dives and Ratings courses. These will be continuously updated into the future to provide value to the most dedicated in the community to knowledge and learning. We're getting continuous questions regarding technical analysis, particular cryptocurrencies, and for advice in certain market conditions, and you'll find the answers to these questions in the Udemy ongoing into the future. This community will be full of the highest quality individuals and is going to be an extremely valuable place to be in our opinion. If you want to sign up, the link is in the description. Remember, you can also join the public section of the Discord too, where we post news, technical analysis, updates on the markets, larger cap gems, and the occasional meme. There's absolutely no reason not to get involved with all that value. Links are in the description for everything we've mentioned here. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.